Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically view your post on like Instagram or TikTok before posting them on CapCut PC, like I guess to see if the buttons like cover up the like your face or like your writings and stuff. You can actually preview them before posting. There is this new button over here. As you can see, it says preview your video for social media. There's TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. So this is what it looks like if you upload on TikTok. As you can see, maybe some of the buttons will block that. So I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller and kind of like place it somewhere else here. And then this is what it will look like on YouTube Shorts. And then this is what it will look like on Instagram Reels. As you can see, mostly all the buttons are on the right side. So yeah, you can view before posting it. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!